Привет, Commandos! This is your favorite Russian mercenary. Today we're at Forge Airsoft in Gardena, California, and we're going to play some pistol shotgun games, friendly skirmish, super friendly with Matt from evike.com and the gentleman from Node. Let's get it done.
Давай, давай! I got one! One down! Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck on the door. "12 gauge to the stomach. Just what the doctor ordered." Okay, stay on my ass like fly on bear's butt.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Давай, давай! No! That's a dead end. Okay.
Yeah, you can see your shadows too.
Oh, damn it. Okay, okay. One down. Stick together. Okay, go, go, go. Oh, reloading. Woo. Up. Woo. No! No! I will finish you off!
No! Terrorists or traitors or whatever, raise your heads, raise your thumbs, and open your eyes and identify your fellow traitors.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm going to put this down and trust you, Roger. Don't shoot me. No, I'm not going to put it down. That's a bad deal, bro. Bad deal.
If you're the traitor, just knife me.
Okay. See, it's not me. Quick, put your gun up. Pick your gun up. It's gonna open. No, no, don't let him in.
He's right there. Oh, he's tying his shoelace.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's stick together.
Just knife me if you're the traitor.
I'm not the traitor. This guy's got 2 guns. No, 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 no. No. Okay.
Nope, nope. All right.
Okay, okay. Good. Oh, that's a dead end. That's a dead end. Who do you think it is?
Hey, hold still. Cover that.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think it's D. No, no, D is the guy probably. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay.
So we can just shoot, right?
I mean, yeah, you could just shoot whoever, but you'll end up using the wheel gun. I think it's D.
No. Jen, are you alive?
Ah!
Ask me if I'm alive.
Roger, are you alive, bro?
No.
Okay. Ooh, traitors. It's not you, it's not me.
I'm here with Jet. Jet, are you dead? Oh, don't be a dick. Don't be a dick. Answer the question.
I'm gonna get shot.
It's Nico. It's not me.
Surprise!
Yeah, it's Jet. Oh my god.
Okay. Whoa! They're shooting!
Who's firing? No, it's not Nico. But he still might be a suspect.
I think it's
Corner office.
I think it's Chris.
Chris, it's Chris.
Is it No, it's not Chris.
No, Chris.
Chris? It's not Chris.
Oh.
Okay, oh, okay.
I'm good.
Okay. Okay.
Put your gun down. But you guys got your guns? Well, yeah, because we're defending
We all have guns. We're terrorists. I don't know, let's just shoot someone.
whoa.
Just shoot someone. The process of elimination.
Whoever has the shotgun, close that door.
Okay, no, I'm just going to go shoot someone.
Whoever has that shotgun.
Okay. Oh.
Moment of trust here. I'm gonna walk out. Okay. You're not gonna shoot.
I haven't shot Jet yet, and we've been alone this whole time.
I think it's going to be Nico. Come on, let's go kill Nico, Roger. I'm going to go kill Nico. Who did you shoot?
I don't know.
Oh, that's Chris. So you shot.
Not Chris.
Okay. I'm going to go shoot Nico.
I thought you were the other guy. Oh my god. Oh god. I got an innocent victim.
Not game.
What?
Not game.
Was it you?
Not game yet,
I got shot.
Keep playing. Uh-oh. This is not good. There is a murderer on the loose. The first person I see is going to get shot. I am the winner.
Operation Irene videos, I really started getting into it. So I went to Airsoft Extreme. I had a friend who worked there, so he took me to GamePod for my first, actual Airsoft game. And after that, the rest is pretty much history. The biggest thing that I love about Airsoft is probably the adrenaline rush that you